Hey, hello everybody, this is Ibrahim from Mr. Bisroor channel. This is the first video after the introduction of our series Learn HTML. And today we will start doing some code. We are going to see the basic structure of an HTML document. So to start with, go ahead and open a new notepad page. So the first element in any HTML page is in order from top to bottom is the doctype element. The letter tells the browser which version of HTML is used. The syntax of this element as follows is angle bracket. This particular element should be preceded with exclamation mark. So exclamation mark, then doctype, DOCTYPE, then another angle bracket. This is an empty element. If you don't watch the previous video, you should. This element by default uses the latest version of HTML, which is HTML5. If you want to use another version of HTML, there is some attributes will help you, but this will be in another video. Next is the HTML element. This element tells the browser that the page would be formatted in HTML. It is a markup element, which means we need an int tag preceded with the slash HTML. Opening tag and int tag, sorry, slash. Yeah. Any tag or element or anything you are going to use within the web page should be inside the HTML element, as it were the main root of the page. So under the HTML tag we have two major elements, let's say two sections. The first is the head element. This one surrounds all the behind scenes elements, like some elements which have data that do not get displayed directly in the web page. So the head tag, HEAD, we need an end tag. It is a markup element, HEAD. Okay. Inside that head element, we have so many elements we can use. We are going to see one of them, which is a title element, TITLE, and an end tag slash TITLE. Okay. This element defines what text will be shown in the web browser title bar. So yeah, here let's say page title. This is the title that going to be shown. So let's give it a shot. So Control S or going here, save as, go where you want to save your page and say page dot, you need it should be dot html. This is the extension of HTML page. Save, go where you saved your page and right click on it, open it with any browser you want. I'm going to open it with Chrome. So here, yeah, as you can see, this is the title, page title. As you can see, if you go back to our code and change that to page title 123, let's suppose, Control S to save, go back to the browser, refresh, and you see the title changed. This is one of many elements that we can use inside the head tag. We are going to see them later. Let's move on to the second major section, which is body element. This element surrounds all the actual content, like text, images, videos, links, etc., etc. that will be displayed on our web page. So the body tags go like this: body, body, and an int tag slash body. Okay, so let's try to write anything and see what's going to happen. Let's say page content and save and go to the browser, refresh the page, and here we go, page content. If you go back to our code and change this to page content, let's say goes here, save again, go back to the browser, refresh, and page content goes here.